G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Guess what's finally landed in Australia? Valve's Steam Deck. It's here. The PC gaming handheld sensation after years of waiting has finally arrived here in Australia. If you're anywhere else in the world, you would have already seen an unboxing of one of these, but we're going to do one right now. Local Australian unboxing of the Steam Deck OLED. Let's go. So if you do live somewhere else around the world, you probably are wondering, why have we gotten it so late? I don't really know the answer other than to say it's pretty typical with Valve. The Valve Index, for example, the VR headset also took its pretty time getting here in any sort of useful volume for consumers. The Steam Deck's been a long time coming. November 19, 2024 is the day that it's finally going to arrive. I've actually got this one early, direct from Valve, in order to do a review. So make sure you keep your eye on the channel. There is one of those coming. Obviously, there's plenty of them already out there, but you want an Australian review, Aussie local review. Support the Aussie local media. Righto, so what have we got in here? Well, I understand that word. Okay, so we've got one Steam Deck OLED model. So there are 3 variants that are releasing into Australia. There's the base LCD model and 2 LED variants with different size hard drives. Don't know which one they've sent me actually. So here's what it says on the outside. I know it's the OLED model. Just don't know if it's the, I think there's a 1 terabyte and a 512 gigabyte. Well, anyway, we'll find out. And that's the extent of what's in this box. So here, I'm guessing we've got our power cable with a little Valve logo on it. This is very cool. For those of us who have been around for a long time, synonymous with Half-Life for me. I don't know why I'm hiding it away from the camera down there. I didn't bring my knife. Wow, what a stubborn piece of sticky tape. Okay, it's open. We have power cable, not too bad. As in, it's not, you know, the big black power, then the power box and the cable. It's one unit, which is good, with a very fancy Australian looking plug on the front. Never thought I'd see that. It's got a manual of something in here as well. Packaged very tightly. Steam Deck health, safety and maintenance information. Otherwise, that is it. Okay, let's have a look. What size cable are we working with here? These little twisty things, they're like USBs. You always twist it the right way, but it doesn't work. Then you go the wrong way, and you go, no, I was right the first time. Oh, it's a good length cable. I like it a lot. What's that? 2.5 meters, I reckon. You beauty. That's the kind of length you want when you want to be lying back on the couch or in your bed and this thing's all the way over in the wall. Don't want a short cable. So good on you, Valve. Happy with that. Okay, open it. Again, everything's so tightly wrapped. Okay, so we're getting here for more information off this. My eyes are so bad nowadays. Okay, so the case is very interesting. What that's for? Oh, that's for the power cable, I'm guessing. And they'll secret away in there, hopefully. No, as far as I can see, there's no, maybe through here, USB access while in the case. So that's handy, obviously, if you want to be able to charge it while it's in the case. We saw that with the Legion Go, I think. Oh no, it's got a, well, I can't get, so it's locked. It's locked. I'm going to need to get a knife. Back in a tick. He returns armed. Okay. Let's open this. I don't think I've ever had a piece of tech come locked. Anyway. Case feels real solid. Big strong Velcro on the front. That actually, it's quite challenging to get off, which is good. Know how to pull that. Nice big grabbable zips as well. Zips feel really strong. All right. Ooh. Padded. Now, I've never seen one of these. You know, all the shows and all the things I've gone and done, all the game stuff. Wow. There we go. Steam Deck OLED in my hands in Australia. It's just thinking of the Atari Lynx straight away. Eh? You know, it's really flashbacking me 30 something years, but it's kind of got a similar width to it. Nice big screen. Solid device, isn't it? All right, very flat. You know, like, you know what I mean? Like it's really, the screen's like really part of it. Maybe it's because of these touch pads on either side. Sticks feel good. D-pad feels good. Buttons feel good. Port rich. Little red power here as well. We've got on the back. Fans, exhaust, speakers, more exhaust up here by the looks of it. Okay, well, we're gonna have some fun with this. There's no doubt about it. So like I said, keep an eye on the channel. There will be a review coming, an Aussie review. It's obviously a screen cleaner. Well, it's not obviously, it looks like a screen cleaner. And yeah, and the case. Purpose-built case, okay. Well, there we go, guys. One Steam Deck OLED from Valve, unboxed, right here in Australia. You. All right, that's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure to check out the other videos. Keep your eyes peeled for that review. And until next time, I'll check you later. You.